Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashionverse. Hope you guys are doing great, so am I. And here I am back on the roads again, so excited. And how could I be just excited alone? I had to share this experience with you guys as well, right? Not just share it, just take you guys along with me through my vlogs. So yes, here I am sharing my experience. So basically, this time the travel is in the south and we are covering three distinct places: Kodaikanal, Ooty and Kurg primarily. So this is going to my travel journey and I'm going to take you guys along with me throughout this journey. So stay connected and let's get started. We took a flight from Delhi to Kochi, which was around a 3-hour flight. We opted for Air India Airlines and I just had to wear this protective gear. This was applicable for window and aisle seat. The middle seat person had to wear this PPE kit. We were also served with lunch and the spread was pretty decent. And here we land at Kochi airport after covering a 3-hour journey. And here comes my luggage.
Now I'm all ready to exit the airport and head for my 9-hour road trip.
So yes, I'm in Kodaikanal now and this is the property where I'm taking a nice stroll and enjoying the beautiful morning. We stayed at Great Trails by GRT Hotels and this is a resort basically spread out on a huge area, and plus this is not within the city. This is like 20 to 30 minutes from the city. This property offers a lot of things, like they have indoor games, they have a spa, then they also offer you with some outdoor activities that's included in the package of your stay, like zip lining, then trail trekking and etc etc. And to reach the next level of the property, you can also avail the lifts there. This is the view from the exit of the lift, and now I would take this glass bridge to reach to my room. So there are two varieties of rooms here. One is timber cabin and the other one is rock cabin. Okay, so now I'm heading for breakfast and let's explore a different route in the property. So much greenery all around was simply breathtaking. Going through this beautiful entrance, we are now heading for breakfast. Let's see what awaits for us in the restaurant. And yes, this indeed looks beautiful. Like staying outside the city and still you get a good restaurant, it's good enough, right? So yeah, and now let's check out the breakfast spread together. So there was a huge spread of items in the breakfast menu, starting from this live counter where they were preparing dosas and different types of omelets. And the menu continues, starting from parathas, puri, sabzi, and this is some green peas in cheese sauce, then khichdi, some dish called pongal, and this was the sambar, and masala oats, and this is also some South Indian variant. Then idlis, two varieties of idlis actually, different chutneys. This was curd flavored and plain curd, and different varieties of desserts from muffins to everything, pancakes and boiled eggs. And this was surprising for me, fish and ginger sauce, but I still tried it and it was good enough because I am a fish lover. Yes, then fruits, breads, so juices, everything. Enjoying this beautiful view from the breakfast table. Let's start with the breakfast. I selected these from the huge spread of breakfast. Let's begin. After having a fulfilling breakfast, let's now enjoy the beautiful greenery all around. And this was a staircase kind of thing made there, which was really nice, and I took so many photographs here. So from here, if you take the right side, it will take you to the reception and the exit from the property, and if you take the left side, that is where your rooms will be there. And then the unexpected happened. It started raining and all our plans to go out and explore the place just shattered.
although the rains made the ambience even more mesmerizing. And let me now give you a quick sneak peek of my room. Also, you can see this housekeeping guy not only cleaned my room but also sanitized it properly. And then the whole day went chit-chatting, spending time with each other, but in the resort, of course. And then, since we had very normal lunch, we decided that we'll have something good in the dinner, and we started prepping up for the dinner. And to our surprise, we found out that there is a huge spread of buffet menu, and you can see these are all the options that we had. Although I wasn't interested in the veg menu, but my friend said that the veg options were equally good. Also, they had this pasta, then there were salads and papad as well. Let's go ahead and now check out the non-veg option. That was my personal favorite. And in the non-veg options, we had pepper chicken masala, then anda curry with Hyderabadi mutton biryani, and this was the fish fry, which I just loved. Also, you can see the dessert spread is equally good, in starting from ice cream, pudding, then pastries and custard. With this amazing spread of dinner, that's how I ended the day in Kodaikanal. So this is how my tour to Kodaikanal went. Yes, the rains did spoil so many plans, but I think the resort was so beautiful that we didn't mind staying back in the resort and enjoying the resort itself. So guys, please stay connected because there's so much more to share with you all about this trip. And yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Fashionverse. Bye guys.